So I'm going to be showing you the basics to driving a manual transmission vehicle, and I'm going to be starting with the basics of the pedals. Obviously, right here on the left we got the clutch, then we have the brake, and then we have the gas. Obviously it's in that order. I always use my left foot specifically only for the clutch, right foot for the gas as well as for the brake. Now, to get this vehicle started, I'm going to go ahead and insert the key here. My foot, left foot, always left foot. Press that clutch in all the way. The clutch is your home base as well as neutral. And you can feel that here, home base. You just kind of shake that back and forth. There you go. There's your home base. Then we have first, second, third, anyway, so forth. Always home base right here. Neutral, and as well as having the clutch pushed in. If you are in neutral, you don't need to have that clutch pushed in. So anyways, there we are. So to get the car started, I'm going to go ahead, push that clutch in all the way. It doesn't matter. You could be in first gear, you can be in sixth gear, you can be in neutral, you can be in reversed. Doesn't matter. So I have, again, the clutch pushed in all the way. Going to go ahead, turn the key over. We start up. And I am in neutral, okay? I am in neutral. See, I still have the clutch pushed in. Now, since I'm in neutral, I can let go of the clutch, okay? Without the car jumping, lurching, and shutting off. So, only in neutral, I like to refer to that as home base, neutral. And again, you can feel that going back and forth here with the stick. You can only let off the clutch when you're in neutral, when you're at a stop. If you're in first gear or any gear, if you're actually in gear, you need to have the clutch pushed in all the way. So we're going to do that right now. We're going to get going and driving here. I'm going to take off the emergency brake. And now to get going into first gear, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, push that clutch in all the way down to the floor. Do not be shy. Push that thing in all the way. Okay, you can see where it shows me the gearing here. This one's at an angle, and this is the Jeep 4x4. Just the way they do their transmissions here and their shifters. Anyways, so I got it pushed in. I'm going to push this all the way over to the left, closest to me, the driver, over towards the steering wheel. And I'm going to go ahead and push that forward. Just make sure. Okay, so look, you're not sure what gear you're in. Push this all the way over. There's first. Just kind of get used to the gears. And as I'm doing this, I'm keeping my foot on the clutch. You can see this is one way to get used to getting a good feel for the gears in a vehicle. And as I've got the clutch pushed in all the way, again, I'm going to go ahead, push this over, and push that forward. I can let go now. And you don't want to just let off the clutch, because we are in gear now and the car is just going to jump forward. You don't want to do that. So this is what I recommend. I'm going to kind of film down here as best I can. Anyways, I've got my left foot, again, specifically my left foot on that clutch pushed in, my foot on the brake, because I am at a slight angle here. And I'm going to slowly, watch this. It's just kind of slowly on the gas pedal. I'm going to slowly just kind of fan the gas. You can hear that? Slowly fan the gas pedal there. And look at my left foot. So I'm slowly coming off that clutch. See that? Look at that. Slowly, 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 slowly. And I still have my foot on the clutch, still slowly pushed in. And there we go. And then when I get going, I can fully let off. All right? And that's how you get into first gear. Now to do a shift from first gear, see, I don't have my foot on the clutch pedal. I'm just slowly on the gas. Now to do this, I have, well, and it's crazy, I'm only holding the camera with one hand here. Anyways, I am going to shift gears now from first to second. So what I'm going to do, don't be afraid, just let off the gas a bit. Push that clutch in before you shift that shifter. Bring that gear all the way back. See? And I'm going to slowly, just back on the gas, slowly fan that a little bit. slowly with the foot, slow coming off on that clutch. Slow coming off. I slowly let off, and the car's in second gear. Now, if I'm having issues with shifting it and I shift it, say, into fourth gear instead of second gear, whatever the issue is, all I have to do is simply press in the clutch pedal. Again, your home base is going to be that clutch pedal and neutral, remember? So clutch, neutral. Remember, I told you neutral is here. That's neutral. And you can then, when you're in neutral, let off the clutch and you're good. So I wanted to show you these basics here just to getting started. I don't want to have to go through all the gears right now. There's tons of videos out there for that. But I just wanted to show you a quick basis of how to get into gear and how to get onto the road driving a stick shift. But as you can see, again, my home base, clutch, and I'm in neutral. And when I am in neutral, again, remember, you just shake it back and forth. I'm used to doing that. That way I always know that I'm in neutral or not, because obviously when you're in gear, you can't do that. See what I mean? I'm in gear, I'm in second gear, I can't do that. So I've got the clutch pressed in. I don't want to let off the clutch right now when I'm in gear, because I'm at a stop. But anyways, when you're in home base, you remember, you can go from any gear. I don't care if it's reverse, any gear, sixth gear, first gear, whatever. If you're in gear, you have that foot, that left foot on that clutch until you're in your home base here in neutral, and then you let off the clutch pedal, and there you go. And again, slow with that clutch release, slow with fanning that gas to get used to it. You'll get a hang of it. Do it a couple times. You'll be on the road driving stick shift in no time. Thank you all for watching. See you next time.